Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on how to set up shipping fees on Foundation's seller portal. As a seller, offering different shipping methods can be a powerful tool to meet your customers' needs and increase customer satisfaction. Let's walk through the process together. First, log into the seller portal. On the left-hand menu, you'll find the Vendors tab. Click on it. You'll see a vendor already created based on the company name you entered during the sign-up process. Click on your vendor and scroll down to the Order Information section. Here, you'll find the shipping fees options. You can choose from one of the three shipping fee methods: free, flat fee, and order value based. Free means free shipping for any order value. Flat fee means a specific shipping fee for any order value, regardless of the order volume or cost. Alternatively, this can be set as the actual shipping cost. At the time of order, the exact fee may not be confirmed, but it can be updated later once the seller knows the exact shipping fee. And finally, order value based. This allows you to set up order value tiers. For example, you could set a shipping fee of $20 for orders up to $200 and free shipping for orders above $200. Once you've selected your shipping fee method on the right side, you'll see a summary of the vendor. Click Update to save your changes. Now let's check how this looks on the storefront. Go to the storefront and add some items to your cart. In the cart, you'll see the shipping fee. As you change the cart total, the shipping fee will adjust based on your shipping logic. If you set the shipping fee as actual shipping cost, you can update the shipping fee for an order from the Orders tab. Select the order and update the status to Shipped. Here, you can add the actual shipping cost. This will be updated on the seller portal, storefront, and invoice. And that's it. You've now successfully set up shipping fees on Foundation's seller portal. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks for watching.